I wanted to pop on to tell y'all a little bit about the Amazon sale, some info that I have, and some tips and tricks for you to shop the sale. The sale starts tomorrow and it goes through the 12th. So yeah, if you are looking to grab some things, off your wish list, or, get a good deal on a computer for your student for, next school year, now would be a great time to kind of stock up on those things you've been eyeing on Amazon. The first tip would be it's not really a tip, but you have to be a Prime member, okay? So if you are not a Prime member of Amazon, then you need to go sign up for a free trial, even if you're not going to continue with your subscription, which in my opinion, an Amazon Prime subscription is totally worth it. But again, Prime Day starts at midnight tonight, so July 11th. And then it goes through July 12th. Add the ones that you really want to get, add them to your cart, and then press save for later. The other tips, again, I would suggest checking early in the morning, checking at noon, checking at bedtime. Those are kind of like the high times for people to, shop online. File called Camel. I know, it's a weird name. 3 camels. And what you can do is you can basically put a product, whatever product you're looking for, you can either enter the URL or you can enter a keyword into Camel, and it will tell you the lowest price of that item within like the past 30 days. And one more thing would be to use the Amazon app on your phone. So if you don't have the app downloaded onto your phone, or your iPad, whatever mobile device you use, go ahead and download that app, because there will be app exclusive deals. So that's something that I would be watching for. You can also join the wait list for lightning deals. So for example, if the lightning deal has sold out, you can join the wait list. And then if they get more stock, if more becomes available, like some people drops something out of their cart, then maybe you can pick it up. And then the last tip that I have for you is to follow the link that I've given you. I don't know where it'll be, and you can kind of scroll through, see what's coming up. And then also down at the bottom, if you scroll all the way down, you'll find invitation only deals that you can sign up for. For example, I saw the Foreo Luna on sale. It's an exfoliating device that you can exfoliate your face with, and kind of like old school, the Clarisonic that we all used to have for our face. It's half off in the sale. So if you've been looking for a device for your face to do some exfoliation, get the dead skin cells off and everything, then go and sign up for a link. So if you are approved, then they'll send you an exclusive link when the deal goes live. Okay, so I would go scroll through all those invitation only links and see if there's something you might want. There's no guarantee you'll get an invite, but you never know. There's no harm in signing up. So anyway, go follow that link that I dropped and let me know what questions you have and what you're going to be shopping. So go get your wish list ready. Go add your wish list items that you really want to your cart to see if they'll drop in price tomorrow and Wednesday. And I am going to, in the next video, I'm going to share with you a few of the items that I really love that I've gotten from Amazon. I don't know if they'll be in the sale, but I just kind of wanted to give you a rundown of good high quality items that I love from Amazon.